Welcome to another video of Shopify Tyrant, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get started with Shopify. Alright, so first of all, head over to shopify.com and you'll see this page. It should look like this. And first of all, I'd like to show you the different price points that Shopify offers. So head over to pricing and you'll be able to see them. And basically there are three plans as of now: the basic Shopify, the Shopify, and the advanced Shopify. They're $29, $79, and $299 respectively. And the differences are you'll be paying 2.9% plus 30 cents on every transaction on your site on the basic plan. On the Shopify plan, you'll be paying 2.6% plus 30 cents. And on the advanced plan, you'll be paying 2.4% plus 30 cents. And there are a few other features that are available on the second and third plan, which are professional reports, abandoned cart recovery, advanced report builder, real-time carrier shipping. The only feature that really makes a difference is the abandoned cart recovery. And the thing is, you can just use an app from the store to just use this feature, and you really don't need these plans. And for the purposes of this course, the basic plan is perfect to get started, and you don't really need the Shopify or the advanced plan unless you scale up massively and you get tons of sales every single day, and then it just makes sense to use the Shopify plan or the advanced plan because of the less cost per transaction. Alright, so let's get started. So once you see the three plans, just click on start your free trial, and this will pop up. So first your email, then your password, and your store name. Alright, so just put your email and password. And for the store name, remember one thing, that you won't be able to change this later on. Basically, meaning that if you're using a subdomain, a sub Shopify domain, and not a custom domain, you won't be able to change this. So let's just say your store is called Amazing Products, and it's gonna be amazingproducts.shopify.com, and you won't be able to change this later on. So unless you plan on using a custom domain, you need to decide the store name beforehand to set up properly, or you won't be able to change it. Just remember that. So let's just put in our email. And password. And the store name. For the purposes of this video, we're gonna call it Tyrant Products. Some good examples of store names would be some kind of word like amazing, awesome, or anything of that sort, and then followed by products or store. And what this allows you to do is basically really have lots of options later on to put any type of products on your store, and you don't really need to be in any specific niche. So just wanted to give you a heads up on that. And then then click on create your store. Just click on this and just give it a second. And you'll be taken to this page. I know a lot of people have get really confused when these options are presented in front of them. So just choose what I'm choosing, and you're good to go. So are you already selling? Choose. I'm not selling products yet. I'm selling not just online. I'm selling with a different platform. And which system do you use the most? Choose Amazon. And how much revenue does your business make in a year? Choose 5,000 to 50,000. And are you setting up a store for a client? No, we're not setting up a store for a client. So click on next. and then add an address you can get paid to. Alright, just give me a second. I'll just use a demo for this. Alright, so let's just say John Doe. Sorry, my bad. And street address. Put Baltimore, country, United States. And it's empty, fine. Give me a second. Let's just go with, let's just use an address in New York, since I know city, New York, state, New York, postal code 11219. And this doesn't really matter. Just remember, when you're setting up your store, just use your own personal info. It doesn't matter which country you live in, just use them. And a phone number 347. Just use your number, and this is optional, so you don't really need to use that. And just click on enter my store. Enter my store. All right, there you have it, and you're in your store. And now we can just get started. And in the next videos, I'm going to show you how to set up your products, set up your store, design your store, and the different settings that you need to use. So be sure to set them up properly by looking at them. Remember, I told you that you're going to get the domain name that you choose in the start. So look at this, Tyrant-products.shopify.com. That's the current domain. And all right, that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.